Remodeling your basement in Sterling Heights is a fantastic way to expand your living space, add value to your home, and enhance your family's comfort. But one crucial element you can't afford to overlook is moisture. Moisture problems can quietly undermine even the most beautiful basement renovation, leading to mold, mildew, structural damage, and costly repairs. If you're planning a basement remodel, here's how to identify, prevent, and resolve moisture issues the smart way. Understand where moisture comes from. Before you can manage moisture, you need to know how it enters your basement. Common sources include groundwater seepage. Water from heavy rainfall or melting snow can seep through foundation walls and floors. Condensation. When warm, humid air hits cold basement surfaces, moisture accumulates. Plumbing leaks. Dripping pipes, broken seals, or faulty sump pumps can cause persistent dampness. Window wells. Poorly drained window wells can funnel water directly against the foundation. Sterling Heights climate, with cold winters, warm summers, and periods of high humidity, makes addressing all these sources essential for a successful remodel. Inspect before you build. Never start drywall or flooring installation until you're certain the basement is dry. Here's how to thoroughly inspect for moisture. Check for damp spots. Look at corners, baseboards, and behind existing paneling or insulation. Test for high humidity. Use a hygrometer to measure relative humidity levels. Anything over 60% is a red flag. Look for mold or musty odors. These are strong indicators of hidden moisture problems. Hire a professional. If in doubt, a licensed basement waterproofing contractor in Sterling Heights can conduct a thorough moisture audit. Waterproof the right way. If you do find moisture, take action before proceeding with remodeling. Effective solutions include exterior waterproofing grading and gutters. Ensure the ground slopes away from your foundation and gutters direct water at least 6 feet from your home. Foundation coatings. Exterior sealants and membranes can block water from entering through basement walls. Interior waterproofing sealants. Use masonry sealers on walls and floors for a moisture-resistant barrier. Drain tile systems. Interior drain systems beneath the basement floor channel water to a sump pump. Sump pumps. A high-quality sump pump with a battery backup ensures water is removed during storms or power outages. Control humidity and ventilation. Once water entry is under control, you must manage humidity to prevent condensation and mold growth. Here's how. Install a dehumidifier. A basement-rated dehumidifier keeps moisture levels below 50%, even during humid Michigan summers. Insulate pipes and walls. Prevents condensation and improves energy efficiency. Ventilate properly. Add exhaust fans in laundry or utility rooms and consider connecting to your home's HVAC system for air circulation. Use moisture-resistant materials. During remodeling, select materials designed to perform well in a basement environment. Flooring. Avoid carpet and opt for vinyl plank, tile, or sealed concrete. Walls. Use moisture-resistant drywall, greenboard, or rigid foam insulation with a vapor barrier. Ceilings. Drop ceilings allow access to pipes and wiring while resisting moisture damage. Framing. Use metal studs instead of wood when possible to reduce mold risk. Ongoing maintenance. Even after your remodel is complete, regular maintenance will protect your investment. Check the sump pump. Test it every few months and after major storms. Inspect for cracks or leaks. Catch small issues before they escalate. Clean gutters and downspouts. Clear out debris to prevent water buildup near the foundation. Final thought. Handling moisture issues during basement remodeling in Sterling Heights isn't just a precaution, it's a must. By taking the time to waterproof, control humidity, choose the right materials, and maintain your system, you can enjoy a safe, dry, and beautiful basement for years to come. Don't let water get in the way of your dream renovation. Plan ahead and build smart.